ASUS S1 Portable Mini Projector. Main features are recommended uses for product business. Built-in 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 3-hour projection time and doubles as a power bank to charge your mobile devices. Advanced DLP technology with 30,000-hour LED lifespan, 200 lumens brightness, 854 x 480 native resolution, and big screen size up to 100 inches in low-light conditions, palm-sized, and 75 pounds lightweight for maximum portability with the best-in-class 1:1 short-throw ratio. HDMI/MHL port ensures compatibility with a variety of sources. USB port for charging only. Built-in ASUS Sonic Master Enhanced speaker for authentic sound reproduction. To connect with iPhone/iPad, Lightning port only. Purchase separately the Lightning Digital AV adapter from Apple. To connect with Samsung devices, purchase separately a Samsung-specific MHL cable, 5-pin to 11-pin, for video output.